Good morning, Niu Woman. Here we are again. This is Lilly, and what a pleasure it is to be here with you right now. Today, this morning, I'm going to show you what else I do besides just walking outside and enjoying the fresh air. I actually do a bit of sketching as well, and as you can see, a bit of gardening. Love for these plants to grow. It's so lovely. Anyway, I'm going to take you through just showing you a bit of the gardening. It's not much, but it's an actual start anyway to what will be a beautiful garden later on. The plants and the French panies. Now we have it's a beautiful garden, I reckon it is. It's all along here. We've got just starting to grow. We've got pineapples. This is a pineapple. That's a pineapple. And I use a lot of vegetable cuttings actually putting on plants. So we've got pawpaw tree and a French pani there. But anyway, let's come back to my beautiful garden and take you back to what I actually do in my other spare time, but as a hobby as well. Maybe not a hobby, but just kind of in a moment where you just want to sketch. So here we go. I do a lot of sketching of faces, sometimes landscapes, depending how I'm feeling. So right now I just want to show you what you can actually doodle yourself, ladies. It doesn't take much to just get it, some sketching paper out and start sketching. So if we could just see what I'm doing here. I love sketching faces. If you can just see what I'm sketching right here, I'll maybe show you when I finish, but this is what else I do with my time off on my own. If I just want a bit of time to myself, I just come out. It's kind of like having that moment again, just being on your own, just having that moment. It's not even, doesn't have to be an hour, it just could be a few minutes. By just getting a pencil, sketching pencil, sketching. You know what? It doesn't have to be something perfect either. You just start off slowly, and then I guess when you start getting the feel for it, you keep sketching. I guess just like myself. It's taken me. I think I started sketching years ago when I was at school. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's just a start. You never know, you could become an artist, overnight artist. And then I'll just change my pencil. I'm actually using the coloured pencils at the moment because I like using the colour. So we kind of mark the nose there, and this for me is just a kind of like another moment of escape, just getting into your own zone, if that's what you like to call it. You can either make this woman have a big smile, I'm not a perfect artist, but I just doodle, really. Yeah, make it. Right, and there we go. And then let's go with the eyes now. If you can see that. This is just my other part of, like I said, if you're not getting out and about and you're just at home, you want to do something, just buy yourself some sketching pencils, a pad, and just doodle yourself. You know, you don't have to be like I said, a overnight artist, or it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's just, you know, something that you're creating yourself. It's amazing. Or maybe you just want to sketch something that you can see, but I just, you know, like I said, I'm not a great artist, but sometimes I just like drawing faces. You know, actually the only woman, I can only do the actual woman faces. I try to sketch men sometimes, but they actually don't come out looking like a man. Look like the woman, so I just stick to doing what I know. I was sketching women's faces. Maybe I'll make her eyes, maybe a lighter brown. But you know what? You just create your own. It doesn't have to be how people see it. It's how, you know, like how would you see it, yeah? Yeah. That's how I would see it. So, yeah, it's just not perfect, but hey, it's something that you've actually just sketched yourself. I've always liked beautiful faces of women, and I've always kind of sketched them when I remember I used to be in class. You know what was so amazing is that I did art at school, but I wasn't good at the theory part of it, but sketching, yes. It was the theory part that I failed, I think, in art, so. And that, ladies, is just a quick sketch of, and then I'll most probably just add on more later on, but you know, just something like this. You doodle around, you just keep doing it, keep practice, and then hey, like myself, I just need a lot of practice. I just love doing the woman's face. And here we go. That's it. Maybe not perfect, but that's what else you could actually do sometimes when you're feeling, something different that you could do today, you know? Start sketching. Take some pencils and just start sketching. It doesn't have to be beautiful, it doesn't have to be perfect, but hey, it's yours, and you can do it anyway how you'd like to, you know? So that's my sketching for today. Well, it's not sketching for today, but it's just a demo of what I can actually, you know, what I wanted to share with my new woman. Let's get some pencils and start sketching. You don't have to be perfect, and it will just, you never know, you might have hidden talents. So this is Lily coming at you again. Do something different for the day, and that's just one of the ideas that I was saying, is go and buy yourself an art pad, buy some pencils, and I tell you what, after you've just sketched something, you just keep doodling with it, and then just keep doing it, and you never know, you might be a hidden talent right there that you're not aware of. So hey, Niu Woman, take it easy, have a great day today, do something different, try sketching. That's what I would do. Have a Merry Christmas again if you don't see my next video, and just love catching up with you. Have a beautiful day. You're a beautiful person and you're amazing. Cheers. This is Lilly.